Welcome to this Windows and Computers channel, and we're going to talk about the situation with Twitter. Some people have asked me, is it really necessary to change a password, and what if I don't? And I understand that there's always some painful situation when you're changing a password, but the situation with Twitter is simple. So Twitter uses a type of hashing. It's a type of encryption, if you want. It stores the passwords within its service using that, meaning if somebody would stumble upon a log file that has the passwords, well, it's just a random set of characters. They can't see the password that you are using. What happened is that they've discovered a bug in the hashing and the way that it's done, and they actually fixed it now. And that meant that the log that contained all the passwords of everyone, 336 million, was open in the clear. Now that was not visible from the website. That was not visible from to us. That was not visible. No, there's no signs of any bad guys hacking Twitter. It's not a data breach. It's simply the passwords weren't encrypted. Who could have seen the passwords? Technically, employees at Twitter. People that work in the IT sphere within Twitter could have accessed the database. But Twitter did look at access and what's happening. They have no evidence at all that this has happened. But they are not taking any chances because you never know. And you never know in the world today. An employee might have stumbled upon it and said, hey, look at that. All the passwords are here. I'm going to sell that to some bad guys. That could have happened. And Twitter could not know about it. And that's what they're saying, actually, is we don't think there was any stolen information. The thing is, we're not 100% sure that it didn't happen. And because of that, we're asking everybody to change the password. So that means you got to go into your account and go into your privacy and security settings. There you will have your passwords, and that's where you will change your password. I changed mine just before I did this video. So that's pretty much that. If you don't change it, all signs are kind of pointing that nothing will happen, really. But you know what? In IT and security, we don't take chances, because if you take a chance, at some point you'll be bitten, and you'll have, you'll lose your accounts, you get hacked or something. So, change your passwords. It doesn't take a long time to do it. Change it. Make sure that you have something new. Actually, they've sent an email to, and even when I logged into Twitter on my smartphone, it actually displayed a page saying, hey, you better change your password. Something happened. And last but not least, if you're one of those that uses the same password on Twitter and everywhere else, or on other sites also, because of the possibility that the information has been stolen, it is recommended that you actually change the passwords elsewhere also, just in case, because if they have the password for Twitter and it's the same everywhere, well, they'll have the password for your other services and they're going to try it out. And last but not least, if you want to stay safe with these things, make sure you got two-factor authentication. I have it with Twitter. If you try to access Twitter from your computer with my account, it's going to say, okay, I sent you a secret code on your phone. What is it? And this, is really good, because even if they get the password, without that second way of getting in, typically your phone, there's nothing you can do. Even though you know my password, there's still nothing you can do, and you can't access my account. So, two-factor authentication ups the security so much. And I believe today everybody should use two-factor authentication. So, change your passwords. It takes a few minutes, and it makes sure that you're 100% safe with Twitter. And of course, if you use the same password elsewhere, make sure that you change it everywhere else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.